Innes National Park is on the southwest tip of Yorke Peninsula in South Australia, 300 kilometres west of the Adelaide city centre. A great way to discover Innes National Park is bushwalking the many trails, ranging from 30-minute strolls to 4-hour treks. You'll spot an abundance of birds and animals while you catch some of the best coastal views in South Australia. Also is a favourite destination for camping, fishing, and surfing. All of the park is accessible by two-wheel drive vehicles, so it's perfect for day visits and a paradise for beach lovers. There is something for everyone at Innes National Park. By taking a stroll from your campsite, visiting one of the lighthouses and shipwrecks, or learning about the tumultuous maritime history of South Australia. Have you been to Innes National Park? Share your experiences by adding comments and tips below.